Welcome back to a new tutorial. You're watching Windows Fixer, your go-to channel for tech fixes and optimization guides. Today's topic is especially useful for gamers who use Discord. Many users have reported that their microphone is not showing up in input devices on Discord. This issue can be caused by several factors, including outdated audio drivers. Discord relies on audio drivers to detect microphones, so if your drivers are too old, that might be the reason. Try updating them. I'll provide a link to Realtek audio drivers in the description. After installing fresh drivers, also reinstall Discord, if updating drivers alone doesn't fix the problem. Another possible reason could be incompatibility between your microphone and Realtek audio drivers. Some microphones require specific custom drivers, so finding the right ones can resolve the issue. Also, check if your microphone is disabled in Control Panel, as that can prevent it from showing up in Discord. Now, if none of these solutions work, there's an alternative method using a third-party tool that captures audio from your microphone and sends it to Discord. This way, you can use it as an input device even if your microphone isn't detected. Step 1. Download Virtual Audio, Cable open any browser, and search for Virtual Audio, Cable VB Audio Virtual Apps. Click on the second website in the search results. You'll see two download buttons, one for Windows and one for Mac. Download the one that matches your operating system. Step 2. Install Virtual Audio Cable. Once downloaded, extract the file by right-clicking on it and selecting Extract Here, or choosing a destination. If the icon looks different, it's because I'm using WinRAR, which you can download from the link in the description. Open the extracted folder and look for VB Cable Setup 64 if you're on 64-bit Windows, or VB Cable Setup if you're on 32-bit. Right-click on it and run it as administrator. This is important or it won't work. Click Install Driver, then confirm the installation when a pop-up appears. Once you see the message, Installation Complete, click OK and close the window. Step 3. Configure Virtual Audio Cable. Close or minimize everything, then open Control Panel by clicking the Windows icon and searching for it. Go to Hardware and Sound, then open Sound Settings. In the Recording tab, look for Cable Output. If it's not showing, restart your PC so it becomes available. Find your microphone, the one that monitors your audio. Right-click it and open Properties. Go to the Listen tab and check Listen to this device. Under Playback through this device, select Cable Input, then click Apply and OK. Now, whatever you say into your microphone will be transmitted through cable output, which will act as your new microphone. Step 4. Set cable output in Discord. Open Discord and go to Settings, gear icon. Navigate to Voice and Video Settings. Under Input Device, select Cable Output from the drop-down menu. You should now see your audio activity in the input sensitivity bar. That's it. Even if your microphone isn't detected in Discord, you can still use cable output as an input device. Plus, this tool has other cool features. You can use it for playing music, soundboards, or even in-game voice chats. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Windows Fixer. Thanks for watching. I'm signing out. Bye.